Hi, hello everyone. Please look what we are going to do today.
感情的，他们是人类的好朋友，所以呢，我们要爱护花草树木。感情的，他们是人类的好朋友，所以呢，我们要爱护花草树木。
And now let's see another example.
Je vais parler un petit peu de français. Donc mon apprentissage du français, c'est une histoire très intéressante. Cela a commencé il y a 11 ans.
As you can see, we are taking a video with an audio, and then we are taking a single image, and we manipulate the face in the image that they would move according to the video. And of course, we can add the audio so we can create a perfect animation of one face according to another face. So first of all, let's start with creating a Conda environment. As you can see, it will be based on Python 3.9. We will name it moveface39. You can choose whatever name you like. So first of all, let's create this Python environment. Now we should activate this new environment by using Conda activate. As you can see, now we are using this environment. Next, we will do a git clone of cloning this library, Thin-Plate Spline Motion Model. I will leave a link of this instruction file, and you can use it in your local machine. Then we will go through this new folder and create another folder named checkpoints, and we will go to this link that has an existing weights of this model, and we will download these five files to this checkpoints folder. So basically, as you can see, I am downloading these 5 files, and let's go to the download library and copy it to the checkpoints folder that we created earlier. Good. Let's go to the next phase. Now we have to use what types of CUDA we have. You can see I installed 11.6. It's really important since we are now going to the PyTorch environment, and we have to download PyTorch according to the CUDA versions. I'm looking for it. As you can see, this is a CUDA 11.6, which is a PyTorch 1.13. So I'm running the command for installing the PyTorch. Let's wait a few more seconds. Okay, the installation complete. And the next phase, we have several Python libraries that we have to install. As I said, I will leave this instruction file. It's really important that you will install the exact version of each of those Python libraries. And I will leave this screen while I'm installing the libraries so you can compare it to your installation. However, it's a really straightforward process, and let's wait until I finish the installation. Okay, so I believe this is the last one. Now we will go to the asset subfolder. In this folder we have a video file and an image, as you can see. And we will use this demo files for our first run. I will also use my own files, but as for now, let's run the demo. So we will run python demo.py. And next we will add the argument of the config file. The config files are stored in the config folders. We will choose one of those files, this one. The next argument will be the checkpoints folder. So the one that we have downloaded earlier. Notice this is checkpoints with an S, and we will use the vox.pth.tar. Then the source image, in our example, it's the Trump image. Okay, this is the one. Okay, this is our source image. And next we will add the drive-in video, which is the Jackie Chan video. Okay, this is the one. Okay, this is our drive-in video. And let's run it. There are several messages, you can ignore it. Okay, we're done. Let's see the outcome. As you can see, it generated a results.mp4, and you can see the image of Trump moving by the drive-in video. In the first example, we will not add the audio from the original video. Let's first of all try our own images. So I download from Google a sample video of a guy speaking French and an image of a guy. I will store those files in my GitHub.
Et voilà, dans cette vidéo, je vais parler un petit peu de français. Donc mon apprentissage du français, c'est une histoire très très intéressante. Cela a commencé il y a 11 ans, ma relation avec la langue française, lorsque j'étudiais au Mexique comme un étudiant d'échange.
Nice. Okay, this is the image. A simple face image. And in this example, we will run the same process, but we will add the audio after the first phase. So once again, let's run it python demo.py. Let's add a config file reference. Let's add the checkpoint. Okay, and let's add the source image. We store it on the asset as named as pic1, as you can see. And the drive-in video, which is the French guy speaking French. And we can name the outcome file. We call it myresult.mp4. Once again, ignore this information messages. It's only warning. Let's take a little bit more time. It's a longer video. Okay. Let's see the outcome. myresult.mp4. As you can see, the faces are moving according to the French guy. Not a perfect outcome, but it's good enough for now. You can try your own images in the same process. But now let's add audio from the original audio. Let's add it to our myresult mp4 file. So we will use the ffmpeg. I will not explain all the arguments, but if you use the same structure and syntax as I have done in this command, you will get a good result. I will leave this command in the instruction file, and the outcome will be stored in the myresult with audio. Let's run it again and let's see the outcome.
Et voilà, dans cette vidéo, je vais parler un petit peu de
français.
Donc, mon apprentissage du français, c'est une histoire très très intéressante. Cela a commencé il y a 11 ans. Ma relation
Very cool. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You are most welcome to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.